Well, hi everyone, Shaun Humphries here. Welcome to All Things Retirement. In this video, I'm going to give you a handy or essential tax numbers. They're updated for 2023, so we'll go through the tax numbers. It's just good basic information to have in mind as you approach your financial planning and your overall wealth planning. So let's go through the numbers together. Now, if you're new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're posting content all the time on retirement income planning, overall wealth planning. So if you don't want to miss future content, hit subscribe. If you like the video, make sure you click like. Let's take a look at these updated tax numbers for 2023. So the first thing is RSP contribution rates. So the maximum contribution rate for 2023 is going to be $30,780. For 2022, it's $29,210, and for the 2024 limit, it's going to be $31,560. The TFSA limit. Well, in 2023, the TFSA limit is going to go up to $6,500 for a total limit since the inception of tax-free savings accounts in the amount of $88,000. The lifetime tax-free savings account contribution room for 2022 is $81,500, and the contribution room just for this year is $6,000. That's for 2022. Maximum pensionable earnings. That's used for Canada Pension Plan contributions. For 2023, the maximum pensionable earnings is going to be $66,600, up from $64,900 in 2022. The lifetime capital gains exemption increases as well. The lifetime capital gains exemption is $971,190 in 2023, up from $913,630 in 2022. Home buyer's amount. If you bought a home, you may be able to claim up to $5,000 of the purchase cost and get a non-refundable tax credit of up to $750. Legislation is pending that would double the amount to $10,000 for a non-refundable tax credit of up to $1,500. Now, medical expense claims or thresholds gone up a little bit. For 2023, the amount is 3% of net income or $2,635, whichever is less. For 2022, the maximum is 3% or $2,479. And the basic personal amount's gone up. The basic personal amount before you're really in a taxable position is for 2023 is $15,000 for taxpayers with net income of $165,430 or less. And for clients in that retirement range, you can claim a tax credit if you're age 65 or older on December 31st of the taxation year. The maximum amount that you can claim in 2023 is $8,396, and that's up from $7,898 in 2022. Old age security recovery threshold or clawback. If your net world income exceeds $86,912 in 2023 or $81,761 in 2022, you may have to repay part or the entire old age security pension depending on your total level of income. And finally, federal tax brackets have been adjusted, and so the thresholds have gone up by 6.3%. So again, thresholds for tax rates going up is actually a good thing. It means you're not subject to bracket creep because people's incomes tend to go up during inflationary periods. That can push you into another tax bracket without actually making any more real income. So it's important that tax brackets be adjusted as well, so you're not creeping up into other tax brackets, higher tax brackets, just because you're getting inflationary increases. So the feds have increased the brackets by 6.3% for 2023. So the lowest rate is income on $53,359 will be taxed to 15%. The next tax bracket is 20.5%, and that threshold begins at $53,359, up from $50,197. The next threshold is 26%. That threshold begins at $106,717 of taxable income, up from $100,392 in 2022. Next bracket is 29%. That threshold begins at income of $165,430, up from $155,625. And then the top rate, 33%, that begins at income of $235,675, up from $221,708 in 2022. Well, those are some of the key numbers that will be changing for 2023. I hope that summary is helpful for you. Well, some of you watching this video might be thinking about your retirement income planning. If you're 5 years out from retirement, or even already retired and you want to make sure that you're tracking in the right direction, in the show notes for this video is a link to our website. And on the homepage, we talk about how you can access your own complimentary retirement income planning forecast. So if you want to get clarity, make sure you take a look at that information. Anyway, wishing you all the best in your retirement planning and overall wealth planning. And so you don't miss future content, make sure you click the subscribe button. You take care. Bye-bye.